Rohan Mehta, 38, a well-settled software engineer. On paper, he looked completely healthy. No major illness, no visible issues. But he came to us saying that I can't sleep at night and every morning I feel like throwing up. That was his reality. No one could really understand what was wrong because everything looked normal from outside. And when we went deeper, he had persistent burning in his chest after meals, acid coming up in his throat, especially at night, bloating, discomfort, and a constant irritation in his throat. He had been on antacids for years, and like most people, the moment he stopped them, everything comes back. This is where most people get stuck. They think acidity is just about food. But clinically, G.E.R.D is not just an excessive acid. It's a dysfunction of your gut, your lifestyle, and your nervous system. So we decided to investigate deeper. We ran a gut microbiome analysis, and what we saw was clear imbalance in his gut health. But this is not the full picture. We spoke to him in detail. He also uncovered the consistent underlying anxiety and even suppressed emotion from earlier phases of his life. And this is important because your gut and your brain are deeply connected. Chronic stress and unresolved emotion can directly impact the acid production, the gut mobility, and inflammation. At LNB Clinic, we don't separate the body and the mind. We treat both. For Rohan, we worked on correcting his meal timing, shifting him to a gut healing, anti-inflammatory diet, supporting his gut from functional and integrative medicines, and repairing his gut lining and microbiome. Along with that, we introduced therapy and mind-body interventions to help him process his anxiety and regulate his stress response. We also added simple practices like post-meal walking, breath work, some more lifestyle techniques, and a structured lifestyle correction. And very importantly, we gradually reduced his dependency on medicine. Within a few weeks, his symptoms started improving. His sleep got better. His morning nausea reduced. His anxiety levels started establishing. By 16 weeks, he was almost symptom-free and completely off from his daily medications. This is what happens when you stop suppressing symptoms and start healing the gut and the mind. If you are dealing with acidity, bloating, anxiety, or disturbed sleep, please do not ignore it. DM us or connect with us at lnbclinics.com, and you can also email us your reports to have a deep dive into it. Thank you. Take care.